Hey Lamar, I was just going to shoot a quick video on how do I download this data out of Matrix. So I'm in the system now. Let's go ahead. I'm just going to do a real quick search of an area like you would do, and then select some data. So here in the Matrix, we can just click, the actives we want. So if I'm just going to click them all, and then we have this export tab. Click on that. And then it gives you options of what you want exported. And so I want the full export. And so that gives me, let me move my screen down. It gives me a download here of the data. So this is all the actives I just selected. And this is every data point in the listing, so it's just, I just think it's probably easier for you to do it this way. So that way I can just cut out what I don't need. But obviously, I'm looking for address, square footage, bedrooms, bathrooms, those sort of things. But the other thing that I'm looking for that I should probably point out, let me see if I can find it on here. So the listing agent's email address, we can get that out of the matrix. So this is all their different email addresses. And the way that I built out my offer system is that when I generate an offer, it'll automatically email out to the listing agent. So I won't need to email it to you and then email it to the agent. And this is going to save you a lot of time. And honestly, for a lot of these, $30 to $50,000 properties, you probably don't want to be messing with this until we get a signed contract. And so the way that I would propose that we handle it is I'll just email it directly to the listing agent. I'll put my phone number on there and name myself an assistant or just a buyer directly, and have the listing agent work with me. And then once we get a signed contract, then that's when I'd bring you in a loop and I'd send the contract over to you, and then you would do your normal stuff. But that's probably way better than trying for me to ask you to do a whole bunch of work to find a few good deals in this 30 to 50, 70,000 range, or even 100,000. It's a lot of work, generating these offers, negotiating these offers. And I just don't think, at least me being in your shoes, you wouldn't really want to do all that legwork for these lower price listings. So anyways, that is the data. I'll go ahead and send this Excel file over to you. And so hopefully that helps with you understanding the data that I'm looking for.